isn't exactly the first word you think of when you hear about pollution, but noise pollution is actually a major problem. Though it doesn't concern bioaccumulation or toxicity, and it's not exactly transmissible, it's still a major problem. As I was saying, it's still something to think about. The average conversation is about 60 to 70 decibels. However, at about 130 decibels, it starts to become painful. Just like they're screaming.
That's not normal. Good Lord. What are we doing?
In response to the growing threat of noise pollution, laws and regulations have been created, such as the Noise Control Act in the United States, which established federal noise emission standards. What in the world? Another example was BLAST, an organization which successfully banned the use of leaf blowers in California for a whole month. Sometimes noise pollution is unavoidable. If you work around noisy equipment, try using ear protection. It can defend against hearing loss. Let's go try it out. Risky levels of noise can result in physical damage, such as hearing loss. While there is no estimated death rate, a lethal amount of noise, about 194 decibels, can be utilized as a military weapon, and chronic noise pollution can cause heart disease. Quiet TV is also about 60 decibels. Sustained exposure to about 90 decibels can cause hearing loss. 140 or greater decibels can cause permanent damage for short-term exposure. 194 is the loudest possible noise.
Well, that's a competitive guy. I already even practiced this.
What are you doing? Why are you messing up my shot? How dare you? Although you can't be diagnosed as noise polluted, noise can lead to the diagnosis of heart disease, hearing loss, and stress disorder. It is possible to manage noise pollution. Some methods of managing noise pollution include zoning of noisy industries and other noisy environments, noise barriers made of sand or grass, control of noisy transportation, legislation to create noise emissions laws, and educating the public on the effects of noise pollution. There are many ways you can limit your contributions to noise pollution. Turn down music and noise-creating electronics, use noise-absorbing flooring such as carpet, rake leaves and trim bushes by hand. What is it with this house? You should have recorded at mine. Now Anna will show you some alternatives to noise-polluting activities.
No, you have to use a book. No, come on. We have to use swords, not guns. No, Nina, we use regular saws. Table saws are too loud.
Okay.
Buddy, don't yell. You're causing noise pollution.
Oh, darn it.
You gotta use rakes, not leaf blowers. They're not nearly as loud. Those were our solutions. Thanks for watching. The cost of noise pollution is more than one would expect. Cost includes things such as loss of earnings, loss of productivity, burden on the health services, increase in violence, human misery, social anger, and loss of quality of life that noise causes.
Who are you? What are you doing here? Get out! Get out! Scram! Go! Women. Noise pollution is an extremely pressing issue. You know what? Forget it. Hit it, Reed.
My head, swinging from trees. She's a deep dish pie, precious.
We're doing bloopers?
Yeah, we're doing bloopers. Oh, that was so good!
Come here, boy. Come on. Do it again. Come on.
What noisy thing are we going to be doing in the background?
Now ready? From there.
No, Mackenzie, stay away from the knives!
Back to me the noisy thing, I'm chopping something in the
No,
background.
we are not using knives! Go.
That makes sense. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, wait, I didn't know when you were starting. See? I can't actually say
Okay,
no,
well,
I wasn't paying
hear it.
attention, and then it was just quiet, so.
The bloopers. Huh?
Nice.
Turn down music and noise creating electronics. Don't let your dog bark. And avoid doing noisy activities such as about 60 to 70 decibels is the normal human conversation. But at about 130, it starts to get painful. I don't have anything to say.
There. Nope, stop recording. Don't stop it. Nope, stop. It feels like liquid pouring down on your face. Luna!
In the middle of the video.
What makes the monkey dance? What makes the monkey dance? What makes the monkey dance?